Hey guys, check out these really cool chopsticks that I got. You know what's cool about these chopsticks? They glow in the dark. With these chopsticks, you can light up your mouth while you eat ramen. Not just for eating ramen, for those of you ladies who like to party, you can use these chopsticks as hair sticks and stand out from the rest of the crowd. If you want to get these LED chopsticks, there's a link given in the description box below. So please go get your LED chopsticks. Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambi. In today's video, I am going to make a very simple dish or snack from the state of Sikkim. This dish is a very popular dish and it has a very important cultural significance. During the New Year's, Farmer's New Year, also known as Sonam Lohar, I believe, they take this dish and they fling it around the streets, wishing people to have a prosperous New Year. Isn't it exciting? To make Tsampa, the ingredients that you would require are: for 250 grams of rice, you will require 2 teaspoons of clarified butter, and for taste, you can make use of sugar, salt or honey. I am making use of both sugar and salt. I'm making use of homegrown rice and I know where it comes from and it's clean and there are no pesticides or chemicals that is used in growing this rice. So I'm not washing the rice, I'm immediately roasting it in the thick base pan. So in case you're making use of rice from outside or from the market, make sure that you wash it and let it out to dry first. Make sure that you keep stirring and don't let the rice burn. I'm not sure how to describe the exact color of the rice, but the rice turns opaque and it's slightly brown, maybe beige in color. Don't cook it till it's completely brown, and the consistency of the rice should be crunchy. Looks like the rice is ready. Now what we need to do is take it off the flame and put it in, spread it out in another tray so that it cools down, otherwise it will burn because of the heat of the pan. The rice has cooled down, now let's pound it. Tsampa is a very popular breakfast among the Tibetan community of Sikkim, and it's a very easy and simple dish to make. It is made out of barley, wheat and rice, and it can be had any time of the day. This powdered rice can be stored in airtight containers for months, and whenever you have those crazy hunger pangs, you can just take it out and fix yourself a tsampa by adding honey, sugar or salt and enjoy the dish. It's that simple. It looks ready. So I have the powdered rice ready. I'm going to make use of sugar because I don't have honey, and I prefer honey any day compared to sugar. It's a lot healthier. And somehow the salt doesn't appeal to me, so I'm going to make myself a sweet tsampa. More. Now let's add the clarified butter and give it a good mix and your tsampa is ready. Our tsampa is ready, and I think the tsampa would go fabulous with some dried fruits and nuts and a lot more honey. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and make yourself powdered rice, barley, wheat or whatever and store it in containers and enjoy it. Thank you.